Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to send high quality photos on Messenger. So if you have a terrible resolution photo and you want to forward it to Messenger, it will upload as the same quality as you sent it before. But if your photo was 4K, whatever it might be, and you want to send it, what you're going to do, you're going to just go back to your screen and then go ahead to your photos. And what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and save that photo to your files by clicking the photo, click upload at the bottom left right here, and then just go ahead and click save to files, and just basically hit save right here to save it to your files. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen and then go ahead to my Messenger, and then go ahead to any chats from here, go ahead and click the plus button, and then go ahead and click share file. And basically now you're going to be able to share the file that you just, let me go ahead and browse the files right here. You're gonna see that this is the files that you can send, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and click the photos right here by allowing the access to the photos, or I can just go back to my screen if that doesn't allow me. I'm gonna just go ahead to the picture right here, click upload right here to share it, and then I'm gonna try to find Messenger from here, click on it. Alright, you're gonna wait and then send it to that chat and hit send at the top, right? If you want to write a message, you can write a message at the top before you send it, and then basically that's it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.